gustan los corridos ni la banda.
What do I think of Gloria? I think Gloria is an amazing best friend. I think she's good to talk to. She gives great advice. Even when she starts speaking Spanish to me and I don't understand most of it, she gives great advice. I think she's a good friend to hang out with. She's very funny and goofy. And I love her. And she's an amazing person.
Gloria, she's my baby girl. She's awesome. She's funny. She's cool to be with. She's beautiful. I love her. And if you guys mess with her, you guys are gonna have to mess with us. So yeah, don't play with her. She's awesome. Gloria is amazing. I love Gloria. She's cool to talk to. You can trust her, and she's like one of my closest friends. And you know, she's just there when you need her. She's just this good person. She's got a bubbly spirit. Every time you see her, she makes you want to smile. And she's like a blessing.
Y que arremangue la banda Carnaval Pariente. Soy feliz en la parranda. Ya no llores, yo no cambio ni abrazos. Mejor vete acostumbrando y acurruca de mi vida entre mis brazos.